You are initiating a new project and need to ensure all stakeholders are aligned and understand the project's objective, scope, and high-level requirements. Which document will help you achieve this? By formally authorizing the project and assigning the project manager. Now, the question is not very clear. Who are you? Yeah, I can assume you are some senior person and or maybe a project or a program manager or maybe a project manager also. But most likely it is hinting to people who are in a governance. That seems to be the target stage. And it is asking that which document should help you in giving high-level requirement, high-level scope, project objective, and formally authorizing the project and assign the project manager in the initial stage. Yeah, so that's something they are exploring. A name of the document which contain all this information. Pretty simple, straightforward glossary kind of question. Let's see option A, business case. So business case is expected to have high-level initiative details. The initiative may not be directly converted into project at a business case level, but you may have a problem definition, you may have a feasibility analysis, justification of doing or not doing it, and high-level requirements, alternative solution. That information is there. So some amount of information which is asked in the question is available in a business case, but it does not contain about authorization of a project. It does not contain who will be the project manager, because business case, all business case may not get authorized. Yeah, so that's the idea. So we can say it's not a great thing because project manager is not assigned on the business case. Option B, project management plan. So project management plan is expected to have detailed understanding of scope, detailed understanding of schedule, detailed understanding of how are we going to execute it. It's a great option. The only thing which is not there in a project management plan is it is not meant for the purpose of authorizing the project. It is not meant for the purpose of assigning the project manager to the project, because project management plan is prepared by the project manager. Yeah, prepared, maintained by the project manager. So we will flag it because it is not available in the initial stage, and the purpose is detailed planning, not just authorizing the project and assigning the project manager. Project charter, option C, great choice. That seems to be the clear definition of project charter. Whatever is given in the question seems to be clearly mapping to the project charter, because it is like a trigger which starts the project, it assigns the project manager, and it also authorizes the project execution. So option C is great. Option D, contract. So contract is that if you are doing project in response of a customer requirement, statement of work is there, and there is a contract deal there. The contract is expected to have a high-level scope, expected to have a high-level requirement, expected to have a high-level project objective. That's highly likely possible, but will not have a clarity about the project constraint, specific project constraint. It will be having your organizational obligation. You can say organizational or a contract objective will be there, but not directly mapped to a project. Yeah, most likely you will do everything in this project, and not necessary means will not have an information related to project manager. So contract does not triggers the project automatically. Contract does not assign the project manager automatically. After analysis of the contract, we issue a project charter which contain all this information. So in this particular question, we can fairly go with option C. Exam content outline, we are focusing on task 10 of a people domain, build, share understanding about the project. So project charter can be used as a tool. And it is also about engaging stakeholder, process domain task 4, because we need to align stakeholders to a common goal, and we can use project charter as a tool. Yes, project charter is something the focus area in this particular question.